All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 000443 and 2026 CR 000444. State versus Mark Parsons. Could I have parties announced?
Brandon Brady, state.
Rafael Leal for Mr. Parsons.
And are you Mr. Parsons?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Parsons, Mr. Leal was appointed to represent you. You stated that you wish to have a new attorney appointed. He does have the right to have 10 days to prepare for trial. First, do you wish to proceed with Mr. Leal?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you wish to proceed with the agreements that you've reached with the state?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you waiving your attorney's 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes.
Mr. Leal, do you need any time to prepare?
No, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all discovery and that you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, Mr. Parsons, did you review the applications for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
In each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, both indictments.
Thank you. And cause number ending in 4-3, you're charged with evading arrest detention with a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. And cause number ending in 4-4, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is up to a $10,000 fine and anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. If you have pleas with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the
I
offenses?
believe so. Judge.
Mr. Parsons, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, I am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
According to the plea, in each cause number, the state is recommending community supervision. There's a $1,000 fine to be probated. The cases run concurrently. And cause number ending in 4-4, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility with their recommendation of probation. And cause number ending in 4-3, they're asking your punishment be assessed at 5 years in the prison with a recommendation of community supervision. There's to be restitution of $2,500 to the complainant in 2026 CR 000444. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each cause number with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I did.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, in each case, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be 100 hours community service restitution, the felony theft course. What is this? Okay, I'm sorry. Driver safety course and MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to each cause, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
Judge, we have to say exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
Not yet.
All right. And state, have you had a chance to speak to the complainant?
We have to.
All right, thank you. You may be excused.
Thank you.
And each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments and each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we would like for the court to follow the state's recommendations.
All right, who is Priscilla Bracamontes to you?
Next girlfriend.
And why are you doing this? Why are you behaving this way?
I was trying to make some extra money with, I'm a mechanic in my neighborhood.
Well, I mean, I'm saying let's start with the evading. We'll deal with the theft of a vehicle later.
Evading, I had a bad choice.
And what is happening to it says here he has a previous evading. I guess that's a misdemeanor. Is there something still pending, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any children?
Yes,
What are their ages?
they're grown, 20 and 19.
All right, do you have any grandchildren?
Yes, I do.
What are their ages?
1-year-old and 2-year-old.
When's the last time you were employed?
A year and a half ago.
Doing what?
I was a tree trimmer.
Have you ever been to prison before?
No.
All right, in cause number 2026 CR 0004444, court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to $1,000 fine, probated, 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Patricia Bracamontes. No residing in households with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require a felony theft course. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And there is to be 100 hours, another 100 hours deemed satisfied upon completion of the driver safety course. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that case?
Did you order sober support?
No, I didn't order that. But you know what? Let's do a TAP evaluation out of custody.
Okay.
And follow recommendations.
Judge, concerning his grandkids, that's not applicable, right? Because I think they live together or
Yes,
there's some
my
forward.
grandkids, they live with me,
Well, where are they living right now?
with my wife at my house.
Here's the problem. He's not a person who should have minors in his household. That may change once he shows me something, but for now, that's not a good idea
Okay.
for them, okay?
Okay.
What will he need to do concerning that in the
I'm
future?
I'm about to address that in the other case.
Okay,
All right. And in that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because that's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, we're going to move on to 2026 CR 000443. Odyssey is moving slow. All right, as previously stated in that cause number, the court is going to find you guilty. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. Court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or minors, and that's 30 days upon release. There's to be no contact with Patricia Bracamontes, no residing in households with minors, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the MRT. Once the MRT is completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied once he's completed parenting classes, and I'm going to order that. Counsel, once he has parenting classes under his belt, just come back to me and I'll reconsider. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations. There's to be restitution of $2,500 to the complainant. And 2026 CR 000444. And just one moment. Could I have that back, please? I'm gonna see what the complainant's name, just a second. And yes. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because that's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and if you want to have contact where you're residing in a household with your grandchildren, you're gonna have to show me something. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you,
Thank you.
counsel. Thank you.
This case is a perfect example of how the justice system balances second chances with public safety. Mark Parsons avoided prison time, for now, but the conditions placed on him are strict, and they send a clear message. No contact with the victim, no living with minors, mandatory courses, restitution, and constant supervision. The judge didn't just punish the crime, she addressed the behavior behind it. And perhaps the most telling moment? Restricting access to his own grandchildren until he proves he can change. That's not just legal, it's deeply personal. So what do you think? Did the judge make the right call here? Or should this have gone differently? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.